Alright everybody, I'm heading out to a two-car wreck right now. I'm not too sure if I can get both cars at once, but that's what I'm going to try to do. Sounds like one's a four-wheel drive and one's a two-wheel drive. So if all things work out, I'm going to get one on top of the truck and the other on the wheel lift. But I'll let you guys know when we get a little bit closer. See you then. Alright guys, we have another driver who's clear, heading that way as well, so who knows, if I get out there first, I'll see what I can do, or he'll grab one, I'll grab the other one. Either way, we're going to get both cars off the freeway. See you then. Okay.
His is drivable, but the cops won't let him drive it because his airbag's all blue.
Oh, yeah.
So they need to go to Olympia.
Yeah.
Okay.
Dave?
Darren.
Okay, cool, Darren.
Oh,
where are we going?
So, if you're wanting the insurance to tow, we just tow it back to Hood River.
Okay.
And then that way your insurance will handle everything from there.
Okay. Do you guys have access to thinking rentals and stuff so I can get my sister to Portland and stuff?
No, but I can get you a ride to the nearest rental places. The nearest one's in the Dalles at the Enterprise. That way you don't have to in the Enterprise, you can drop it off in Portland or drop it off there. That way you don't have to come back.
Wherever, okay.
Yeah, or wherever. And you guys can ride in there. The dog will have to ride in the car because they don't allow dogs in the truck.
Okay.
But that should be no problem. And then once we
this
get...
is a hybrid, so we got to put in neutral and all that stuff. You know this better than I do.
Yeah, that should be fine. And then, yeah, so as soon as they get out of the way there, I'm going to pull in and back up, and then we'll be all set.
Okay.
All right, so that works. Yeah, I'm just going to be towing that one back to Hood River, and then I think I'm giving them a ride to Enterprise in the Dalles.
Okay.
Get their car, get a rental, so we'll be all set. first set there. Let's see here. Oh no, I just need the key there. It looks like it should roll decently. This one is rolling. Okay. Yeah, and I'll get on there and I'll tie it all down with the straps. All right, here we go here.
Here's the key.
Got the key there. Okay.
Just push the button with your foot on the brake.
All right, there we go. Oh yeah. Okay. Brake. All right. Yeah, I'll have to pull it the rest of the way on here. Yeah, I'll turn it this way just a little bit.
Just getting ready to turn the steering wheel for you, but sometimes it's better to do it yourself.
Yeah, no problem. that here?
Okay.
All right, there we go. Oh, and then if you guys want to go up to the office just real quick so they can get all your information.
Okay.
And then I'll be unload this pretty quickly here. Alright everybody, we got that one back to the yard. Their insurance is going to take it from there. But yeah, I guess what happened is they went to pass a semi and that other truck was coming up behind them really fast and didn't have time to slow down or stop. Ran right in the back of their car. pushed them both off the road there. Luckily, they could both drive a little bit, so they moved to the side, all the way off the shoulder when we got there. So they weren't in the middle of the road. But as you can see there, they have extensive damage. The other driver, Terry, he got there a little bit before me. As you can see, right when I came down the ramp, he was just ahead of me. So he grabbed the truck, and that truck ended up going into Portland. And then I got the Toyota. That ended up coming back to Hood River, and then we're going to give him a ride down to the rental car place. And that way we'll get them all set up for another car while theirs is down. But yeah, I'll let you guys know when we get another one. See you. Thanks for watching.